My medicine cabinet used to be filled with products for every minor problem, until I discovered a simpler approach. A few versatile essential oils now support many of my daily wellness routines. Peppermint oil is excellent for mental alertness. Simply inhaling its aroma may help improve focus and cognitive clarity. When diluted properly, it can also provide relief for minor tension headaches when applied to the temples. Lavender oil is widely recognized for its calming properties. Diffusing it before bedtime may help improve sleep quality, and when diluted correctly, it can also soothe minor skin irritation. However, safety is critical. Essential oils are highly concentrated and should never be applied directly to the skin. Always dilute them with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba. If you're interested in essential oils, start simple. Choose one oil that supports a daily need and learn to use it properly.
Blossamin Spa.